controller drift can be frustrating while playing Apex Legends, but there are several steps you can take to minimize or eliminate it. Follow this guide to help reduce controller drift effectively. Step 1. Clean the controller. Start by cleaning your controller thoroughly. Dust and debris can accumulate around the analog sticks, causing drift. Use some microfiber cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to gently clean around the sticks and buttons. Step 2. Adjust dead zone settings. Access the game settings and navigate to the controller options. Adjust the dead zone settings for the left and right sticks. Increasing the dead zone can help prevent unintended movements caused by drift. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Check if your controller has any firmware updates available. Manufacturers often release updates that can fix bugs or improve performance. Connect your controller to the appropriate software and follow the instructions to update. Step 4. Recalibrate the controller. Recalibrating your controller can help reset the analog sticks to their neutral positions. Follow the instructions specific to your console or PC to recalibrate the controller, ensuring it recognizes the correct stick positions. Step 5. Consider hardware solutions. If the drift persists, consider using a controller with better build quality or one specifically designed to reduce drift. Alternatively, you can replace the analog sticks or seek professional repair services to fix the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate controller drift in Apex Legends, enhancing your gaming experience.